In this video, I'll show you how to show password hints on the lock screen on your Mac. A password hint can help you remember your Mac password if you forget it, without showing the actual password. To get started, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then click on System Settings. Once System Settings opens, scroll down on the left-hand side and click on Lock Screen. Now look for the option called Show Password Hints. If the toggle is turned off, simply turn it on. Your Mac may ask you to enter your password or use Touch ID to confirm the change. Once this option is enabled, macOS can show your password hint on the lock screen after failed login attempts. If you want to create or change your password hint, go back to System Settings, then click on Users and Groups. Select your user account, then choose the option to change your password. From there, you can add a password hint that helps you remember your password. Just make sure your hint is helpful to you, but not too obvious for other people to guess. And that's it. You've successfully enabled password hints on the lock screen on your Mac. Now, if you ever forget your password, your Mac can display a hint to help you remember it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.